Have you ever wondered what Web3 is and why it's important? Perhaps you've heard the term tossed around in tech circles or seen it pop up in your newsfeed. It's a concept that's been gaining traction, and for good reason. Web3, short for Web 3.0, represents the next generation of the internet. If you think of the internet's first iteration, Web 1.0, as a simple, read-only platform and Web 2.0 as the interactive, social media-driven space we know today, then Web 3 is the leap into a fully decentralized and interconnected digital universe. Web 3 is a vision of the internet where users regain control. Instead of large corporations owning your data, you do. Instead of a single entity controlling the network, it's a collective responsibility. It's an internet built on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its applications go far beyond digital money. In Web3, blockchain's potential for decentralization, transparency, and security becomes the foundation for all online interactions. But why does this matter? Why should we care about Web3? Firstly, Web3 promises to return control of data back to users. In a world where data is a valuable commodity, this is a significant shift. Users can decide who gets access to their data and on what terms. Secondly, Web3 aims to make the internet more democratic. Decentralization means that no single entity has overarching control. Decisions are made collectively, power is distributed, and everyone has a voice. Lastly, Web3 introduces the possibility of a truly open and global economy. With blockchain's ability to create and manage digital assets, we could see a new era of digital ownership and value exchange. In summary, Web3 is the next evolution of the internet. It's a vision for a more democratic, transparent, and user-controlled online world. It's built on the principles of decentralization, data ownership, and open economies. And while it's still early days, the potential for transformation is huge. So next time you hear about Web3, remember, it's not just another tech buzzword. It's a pivotal shift in the way we interact with the digital world. It's about taking back control, democratizing the internet, and opening up new possibilities for global economic participation. That's the power of Web3.